They say fortune favors the bold. We say the bold favor Carbon County. Being bold means knowing that a hard day's work isn't measured in the quantity of goods sold. It's measured in the quantity of pride you take in that work and knowing you did your very best every single day. Being bold means creating something the world has never seen before. It means honoring the past while building the future. Seeing opportunity where others don't, won't, can't. It means meeting your limits and pushing past them, regardless the day, the hour, or season. It's feeding the flames of the adventurous fire within you. Here, the outdoors are more than just great. They're breathtaking, awe-inspiring, timeless. In the hands that understand what hard work truly is, they may be rough, but they're always outstretched. This right here, this is all day, every day. Because in Carbon County, work hard, play hard isn't something you say. It's our fingerprint, our spirit, our brand of bold. Discover your bold in Carbon County.